This is my 84S project. Here are the fuses. Oh, shoot. Here are the fuses. If any of them look off, just let me know in the comments. And here's what happened when I start the car. Obviously that's the battery, not the car, but you can see what's happening, obviously. Yeah, I would just turn it on after about a week or so of it being, if it resting. Revved it up a couple times to get the fuel going through the system. Washed it, pulled it in the garage, and tried to turn it back on again because it was very tight to get out of the car, and move it, and then it wouldn't start. So I pushed it out of the garage thinking it was dead. And I tried to jump with my other car, and it wouldn't do anything. Just this sound, of course. So, if any of you have any, or have any knowledge of why we do this, just let me know. That's a dead battery. So, also, how do you fix that button? It fell off about a week ago, and it's anyway. Yeah, just let me know how to fix this because it's kind of blocking my other cars. That car and the garage. So yeah, cool. Just let me know.